In this video, we'll take a quick look at the various interface elements used in the Illustrator program. At the top, of course, you've got the various menu commands. Menu commands provide an easy way to find the various commands, and the keyboard shortcuts located here to the right of the various command names are often a convenient way to access these different commands. Submenus are available and indicated by this little arrow, and other commands have these three dots here, an ellipsis, to indicate that selecting this menu command will open a dialog box. Below the menus, down here in the bottom, is the document window. In the document window, Illustrator allows you to open several documents at the same time, and each open document is indicated by the tab here at the top of the document window. So I can switch back and forth between various documents by clicking on these tabs. And of course, clicking on the X button will close that document. All documents that are closed are given first a chance to save. Over here to the left of the document window is the Tools panel. And the Tools panel represents all the various tools that you'll work with as you create a document within Illustrator. If you hold the mouse over the top of Tools in the Tools panel, you will see a tooltip open up, which gives you the tool name, also in parentheses the shortcut if one is associated with it. So for example, the pencil tool has the keyboard shortcut of the letter N, which makes it easy to access that tool. Associated with the tools is the control panel here at the top. This control panel displays the various options that are available for the selected tool, and it will change depending on the object that is selected. For example, if I select this center sun object, notice how the commands up here change to represent the options that are available for this object type. Over here on the right are the various option panels. These panels give you control over all sorts of different things in Illustrator, and you can open all of the panels using the window menu here. All of the open panels are indicated by a check mark to the left of the panel name. Panels also have keyboard shortcuts associated with them, which makes them easy to pop open. You can also open and close the tools and the control panel using the window menu. Another convenient way to maximize your workspace here is with the Tab key. By pressing the Tab key, you'll hide all of the panels, including the control panel, the panels to the right, and the tools panel, giving you optimum room to work. Pressing the Tab key again will make those panels reappear. If you want to keep the tools panel and the control panel and just eliminate these panels temporarily, you can use the Shift Tab keyboard shortcut to just hide the panels to the right. Down at the bottom of the document window are several options contained in what's called the status bar, including the ability to zoom at all different levels, options to move through the various defined artboards, and this little info button, which will give you information about the current document. And if you click on that button, you will see that you can set the different options to show down here in the status bar, including the version Q status, the current tool, date and time, the number of undos, and the current document profile. This is handy. I like to keep it set to the current tool, which will enable me to see what is available in my tool setting. So those are the various interface elements that you'll find within Illustrator, and those will come up in more detail as we go through these various videos.